So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine. And finally, the Arcade Facilitator Cohort 2 forms are live. So here we are talking about the Arcade Facilitator Cohort 2. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now basically, I have already uploaded the form video, how you have to fill the enrollment form. Make sure to watch this video, and the referral code is also shared over here. Now here, if you are unable to find the referral code, you can go to the post section of the channel, or also, let me show you in the post section. You can see this is the code. You have to copy it carefully without any extra space and open the form and fill all the details. Now, if you are in Telegram, you can just come to the Telegram just in the description box. I have shared this. You have to open the form, and here you have to just double click, and then you'll be able to see the code basically. Now you have to fill the form. How to fill the form I have already covered in this video. Okay, I have already covered in this video how to fill the form. Now regarding the update, basically once you have filled the form, what are the next steps? So basically here they have clearly mentioned in the enrollment page only. So basically you have to wait for 24 to 48 hours. Once you have filled the enrollment form, make sure it is correct, and the form basically after proper verification, then they will send that you have successfully enrolled. Then in that mail there will be details regarding how to claim the credits, how to just redeem the 600 free credits, and how you can start the journey. Regarding all the solutions, skill badges, all things will be there. So do not panic, do not hurry. First of all, just fill the form and relax yourself. You have 2 months to complete all the challenges. So this was just an informative video. And regarding the Arcade August, games are already live. If you want, you can start it, but I'll recommend wait for 24 hours when the enrollment form will be arrived for you. And if you are participant from Indonesia, you can start it because you are already enrolled and complete all the challenges. Regarding the solutions for all the skill badges, the description box of this video, I've already updated the skill badges list and lab free courses. You can check it out. Now regarding the arcade games also, I am working on the solution. All will be like soon. So stay tuned, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a great day.